Hello YouTube, this is Jeff and I am riding my bike today. It's the first day of fall here in the Las Vegas area. And I've got a drone, I've got a knee bike, and I wanted to put the two together and see what I could get out of it. So this is the River Mountain Loop Trail. It's about 35 miles. It goes over near Lake Mead, comes all the way back around to just about my house. Is about a mile and a half away. So I had my drone. I had just the right temperature this morning. Nice, it's in the 70s. Almost no wind, just a little. So I said, hey, let's try that follow feature with the DJI Mavic Air 2. So I gave it a spin. I'm out here on the bike having a good time. I have it in follow mode and I have it in parallel follow mode, and I've not been able to get it to do that with the bike. Now I can get it to do that with my car. But I think it's because when I trace me out, it's not a large enough object, and before you type in there that you know I'm a pretty large object, I just don't think I'm as big as a car. And so it has a difficult time doing the parallel mode. So it does follow behind me, and it looks like I'm starting to get a little ahead of it here. But still, it's doing fine. Now, I have a display in front of me. My phone hooks up to the actual controller, and I can see that it's following me because it's still got me traced out, and I can see what's going on. So I know things are fine. Here it looks like it's getting a little bit closer to me. I'm trying to slow down some, and I think I'm doing it pretty successfully. Hey, I also used my GoPro just to show you about how fast I was going, some perspective here. I wanted you to see that. So, and plus all that great cinematic stuff that I threw in there too. Now there's a guy that's coming toward me, and I'm starting to worry. Will my drone hook onto the biker ahead of me and unhook from me? So, oh no, what's going to happen here? So this guy's getting closer and closer. I'm kind of worried here. There he is passing me, and you can see that he's pedaling. I don't have to because I'm going slightly downhill. I wanted to do it this way because of that, so I wouldn't have to shake the bike all up and everything pedaling. I got lucky, and the drone continued to follow me. So that's kind of cool. But just about right here, if you'll notice, the drone sort of shifting to the left. Now remember what I said about parallel? It was supposed to be to the right, and then it was behind me. Now it's starting to lose me. And I don't know why it was starting to lose me here. Yes, I see the electrical power cables on both sides. That could be it. Maybe I was getting a little bit too fast, but just about right here, yeah, the drone's gonna give up. So I didn't notice it quite yet. And then all of a sudden I look down and I'm looking at my display and I don't see the trace out anymore. So where's my drone? Okay, I think I'd better stop, which kind of sucks because I really wanted to go over the Three Sisters, which is just ahead of me up there, and now I'm slowing down, and I no longer can even hear my drone. Now, the drone isn't that loud, but you can hear it when there's no other noises around. You can hear those spinning little rotors. Where is my drone? I'm looking around, I can't see it, I better go back. So sure enough, I'm heading back here and I spot something up ahead. You can't see it here on this video, but I could see something up there. My drone had obviously just stopped. So at least I didn't lose it. I was worried. I was worried that it would try maybe to return back to the original position. I was worried that it hooked onto something else and it would be following it away. I was really happy to know that it was just sort of sitting there waiting for me. So on my way I go. Just to let you know, that's Frenchman way up ahead past the power cables, and that's the Las Vegas Valley over to the left as I approach the drone here. And that is going to the north. I'm now pedaling back up toward the south, and that's not me pedaling. I just sped up the video there. So it was good. The drone is still there. All is safe. Now, was this a successful flight? I'd say yes and no. I need to figure out what it is. Is it because the drone just can't follow something as small as a bike that effectively or efficiently without you being real close to it? Or was it because of the power cables? I'm going to try this a few other times, a few other ways, but I call it a success. Anyway, this is Jeff. Have a great day, folks.